Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, western Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Batavia to near Minooka, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near West Chicago and Warren Hill around 4:15 p.m. Carroll Stream and Winfield around 4:20 p.m. Glendale Heights and Bloomingdale around 4:25 p.m. Naperville, Plainfield, Hanover Park, Lockport, Roselle and Crest Hill around 4:30 p.m. Romeoville and Homer Glen around 4:35 p.m. Arlington Heights, Bolingbrook and Rolling Meadows around 4:40 p.m. Wheeling, Woodridge, Lisle, Darien and Prospect Heights around 4:45 p.m. Wheaton, Downers Grove, Northbrook, Hinsdale, Burridge, Westmont, Willowbrook, Clarendon Hills, Willow Springs and Indian Head Park around 4:50 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. This is NOAA's weather.